Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download PostgreSQL sample database. Then we will see how to load the sample database in PostgreSQL servers. We are going to perform this action in Windows and Linux environments. We are going to download sample database, that is DVD rental, which contains around 15 tables and use triggers and functions. Open browser and paste this link in your browser. Whatever the commands I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. Paste it and enter. See, download has been started. Its size is 538 kilobytes and its format is zip file. In the zip file there is a TAR file. So we have to extract the TAR file. Go to downloads, right click on the downloaded file and select the file. Right click and click on extract all. Provide the path to extract this DVD rental zip file. See, it contains DVD rental.tar. Now open command prompt. Navigate to PostgreSQL bin directory. cd c program files PostgreSQL, then version number may be different for your environment. Just give the version number, then /bin and press enter. pwd and ls are the Linux commands and these also works in PowerShell. Just give dir. See, these are the files and folders in this bin directory. But our aim is pg_restore. See, it is there. pg_restore.exe. cls, clear the screen. Now we have to connect to PostgreSQL server by using PSQL-u. Then provide the existing username of your PostgreSQL server and press enter. Provide the password for the user. Let's verify list of the databases. See, this is fresh installation and which doesn't contain any databases. Now we have to create the database to restore. Create database and provide the database name. Here database name is DVD rental. We have successfully created database. See, new database has been added. Exit by typing / and q. Now run the command pg_restore, then -u, u should be capital, and provide username and provide database name -d and database name. Database name is DVD rental. Then we have to provide the tar file path. See, this is the tar file path and paste it, and we have to give the actual file name. Here file name is dvdrental.tar and press enter. Provide the password for the Postgres user. It is successful because we haven't received any error. Let's connect to PSQL and verify. PSQL-u, then username and provide the password. /l. Database is there. Then switch to DVD rental. Then /dt to get the list of the tables in this database. See, there are 15 rows, which means 15 tables are there in public schema. There are 7 views. These are the 10 functions. Let's verify the number of rows in rental table. See, there are 16,000 rows. So until now we have seen how to download an PostgreSQL sample database in Windows environment. Now we are going to download sample database and load in Linux environment. Process is almost similar. First step is we have to download the DVD rental. Wget, then provide this link. As I said earlier, whatever the commands I am going to execute in this video are available in the video description. See, it has downloaded successfully. Let's verify. See, this is the file which has downloaded. Now we have to unzip this zip file. Unzip, then give the file name, that is DVD rental. It is successful. Let's check. See, we have successfully extracted DVD rental. Now switch to Postgres user. PSQL. Let's verify the database. Let's verify databases. See, I have only 3 databases, which are the default databases comes with the PostgreSQL installation. Create database DVD rental. Exit. Clear screen. Now restore by using pg_restore -u Postgres -d. D means database. Then downloaded path. Then provide the path of DVD rental.tar file. And press enter. It is success. Let's connect to PostgreSQL /c DVD rental /dt. See, all the tables has been loaded successfully. So in this video we have seen how to download PostgreSQL sample database. Then we have performed load of PostgreSQL sample database both in Windows and Linux environments. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.